Plus, all right, this is part 2 of this video. And in part 2 of this video, we are going to just take this thing out and find out what it's all about. And first thing that I notice, and I'm hoping that this is a mistake. Ah, it's not. Okay, thank goodness. I was wondering if we had cables to go with it, because otherwise this would have been a non-starter right away, right out of the box. So we do have the cables that are required in order for this to function. A USB thing that acts as a, I don't know. Is that how you do it? You stick it in here, and then this one goes in a USB-C connection thingy-mapoodle. There is also another way of doing it, which seems to be the typical adapter that old phones had. All right, this is part 3 of the video.
Likey